Moving on, the fourth knife is the Rike Lamella. That's right, the Rike Lamella. This one is quite interesting in so many ways. First of all, it is a Persian or trailing point sort of blade geometry. We have M390 going on here. Also a limited run. This one is 280, number 280. We got the model name right there with that beautiful calligraphy script, which is nice. As far as deployment options, we have the flipper deployment. We have thumb deployment with this thumb ramp or platform there, and we can reverse flick all day every day with this one out of the fingernail in the middle finger like that. It works really good and it's very satisfying. It is on ball bearings, and the drop shot action is so good. This one is definitely a guillotine shot for sure, and there's just enough weight on that blade to bring it down. Boom. Every single time. Liner lock on this one. What's unique about this one is it has this little switcheroo mechanism back here. You can, now it's locked, but if I push back on it, I unlock it, and then I can take off this sort of turtle shell, integral looking turtle shell, and it comes out like that in the most satisfying sound possible. Just like that. And that reveals all the hardware, right? So the hardware is otherwise tucked away, right, for a very clean, beautiful looking design, which this definitely provides right here. It looks very futuristic, very awesome. And then you can just put the whole thing back together right here, and it all goes back in place like that. And then you can lock it in place, right? So I believe this one is a revised version compared to maybe the original one didn't have this little switch in the back. Check out the review video on this one. I talk a little bit more about that, but yeah, ergonomically is pretty good. And you know, the only thing that I noticed was this little peaky section there. I talk a little bit more about that during the review, and you can forward choke on it there if you want to get more control of your cuts. So I mean, overall, just a savage looking, futuristic looking knife in every possible way. The design overall is just beautiful. If you follow this line right here in the design, it sort of carries into this fuller. The difference between the tumble finish and the satin finish on the blade looks really good. That fuller also looks very nice, and you can deploy off of the fuller too if you want it, so that is definitely an option. So amazing knife. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.